So, hindi siya targeted sa kanino man. Hindi targeted sa kanino. Malaking usapin itong electoral reform at hindi nagre-revolve itong usapin na to sa isang particular na kandidato. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit kinoconnect nila. Ang layo naman. Diba? Nasa Constitution ito, 26, Section 26, Article 2, the 1987 Constitution. Hindi namin alam kung kailan siya mag-announce. Pero alam namin, meron sa Constitution na nagsasabing kailangan may anti-political dynasty. Walang connect. Do not sabotage this process, hostage this process to make it appear as if this is intended for one particular candidate. That's not how you put it. That's not, I don't know kung paano nila gawing relevant sa sarili nila. Ito para sa electoral reform ito, wala to kinalaman kanino man. Tanungin po natin yung mga framers ng Constitution kasi sila po yung naglagay dyan nung na yan, article na yan, yung provision na yan. And just to add, sinakaasar na rito not everything that is happening in this country is about them. What we can assure the public is that we've done what we are expected to do. Meaning to say, we did not only limit our discussion with the committee, with the legal experts or in the committee alone, but we actually carried this to the grassroots. We brought this out in the open so that all of us can participate in the process. So that's one thing that we can ensure the public na though we cannot 100% accommodate all their inputs and their positions, but substantially what we can do is we would probably integrate and incorporate some of their positions. And lahat naman ng sinabi din nila doon ay nandoon na sa mga 24 versions na yon. Gusto lang natin maintindihan kung paano ang publiko, yung reception ng publiko, at the same time paano nila maintindihan yung pinopropose natin anti-political dynasty.